Hey everybody, it's Julian Lopez-Cortez, and let's be real, we all want to feel our absolute best. We're talking rocking that confidence, having the energy to dominate our days, and feeling damn good in our own skin. But between hectic schedules and confusing information overload, healthy living can feel like a constant uphill battle. Well, I'm here to tell you it doesn't have to be. We're ditching the fad diets and the quick fixes. Get ready to transform your relationship with food and fitness because we're about to unlock your full potential. Let's kickstart your day the right way, with a breakfast that's as delicious as it is nutritious. We're talking about avocado toast with a perfectly poached egg. Avocados are packed with healthy fats, the kind that keeps you feeling full and satisfied, preventing those mid-morning cravings. Trust me, this isn't just breakfast. It's a flavor-packed energy boost that will set the tone for a successful day. Lunchtime is the perfect opportunity to refuel your body with a nutrient-dense meal that will power you through the rest of the day. Let's spice things up with a vibrant quinoa and veggie stir-fry. Quinoa is a complete protein, meaning it contains all 9 essential amino acids our bodies need. Load up your stir-fry with a rainbow of colors: broccoli, bell peppers, carrots, snap peas. The more variety, the more vitamins and minerals you're packing into each bite. This is a meal that not only tastes amazing, but also leaves you feeling energized and ready to tackle whatever comes your way. We all get those sweet cravings, but instead of reaching for sugary processed snacks, let's whip up a guilt-free treat that will satisfy your taste buds and nourish your body. Enter the Greek yogurt and berry parfait, a symphony of flavors and textures that's as good for you as it tastes. Greek yogurt is a nutritional superstar packed with protein, which helps stabilize blood sugar levels and prevent those dreaded energy crashes. Top it off with a generous serving of fresh berries, bursting with antioxidants and natural sweetness. Indulge in this parfait and kiss those sugar cravings goodbye. Let's talk about processed foods, the ultimate saboteurs of a healthy lifestyle. These packaged imposters are often loaded with sugar, unhealthy fats, sodium, and artificial ingredients that wreak havoc on our bodies. They leave you feeling bloated, sluggish, and dissatisfied. It's time to break free from the processed food trap. Choose whole, unprocessed foods that are naturally nutrient-rich and support your body's optimal function. Protein is essential for building and repairing tissues, but it's also a key player in your weight loss journey. When you consume enough protein, you support muscle growth and repair, which is crucial for boosting your metabolism. A faster metabolism means you burn more calories even at rest. Make sure to include a source of protein with every meal and snack. Lean meats, fish, beans, lentils, tofu, and Greek yogurt are all excellent options. Water is the elixir of life, and staying properly hydrated is crucial for your overall health and weight management. Think of water as your body's internal cleansing system, flushing out toxins, improving digestion, and keeping everything running smoothly. Dehydration can lead to fatigue, headaches, bloating, and even overeating. Make it a habit to sip on water throughout the day. Carry a reusable water bottle with you and aim to drink at least half your body weight in ounces of water daily. Even the healthiest foods can lead to weight gain if you're eating too much of them. Portion control is about being mindful of how much you're consuming, and ensuring you're eating in a way that supports your body's needs without overdoing it. Aim to fill half your plate with non-starchy vegetables, a quarter with lean protein, and a quarter with complex carbohydrates. This ensures you're getting a balance of nutrients without over-consuming calories. Eat slowly, savor each bite, and stop eating when you're comfortably satisfied, not overly stuffed. Let's talk about sculpting that midsection. And no, we're not talking about endless crunches. The plank is a powerhouse exercise that engages your entire core, strengthens your back, improves posture, and helps you achieve that flat-toned stomach you've always wanted. Start by holding a plank position for 30 seconds, focusing on maintaining a straight line from your head to your heels. Remember, quality over quantity. It's better to hold a perfect plank for a shorter time than to sacrifice form for a longer hold. Get ready to elevate your heart rate and torch calories with mountain climbers. This dynamic exercise is a full-body blast that targets your core, shoulders, chest, and legs. Start in a high plank position with your core engaged and your hands directly beneath your shoulders. Drive one knee towards your chest, then quickly switch legs as if you were running in place. Maintain a steady pace and focus on keeping your core tight throughout the exercise. Want to sculpt those coveted V-cut abs and define your waistline? Look no further than bicycle crunches. This targeted exercise engages your obliques. Lie on your back with your knees bent and your hands behind your head. Lift your shoulders off the ground and bring your right elbow towards your left knee, while simultaneously extending your right leg. Repeat on the other side, bringing your left elbow towards your right knee. That's it for today, everyone. Remember, living a healthier lifestyle isn't about deprivation. It's about making sustainable changes that nourish your body and mind. By incorporating these diet and exercise tips into your routine, you'll be well on your way to achieving your health and fitness goals. Remember, you have the power to transform your life one healthy choice at a time. So get out there, fuel your body with nutritious foods, challenge yourself physically, and embrace the journey to becoming your healthiest, happiest self. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed these tips, don't forget to like, comment, and share. See you in the next video.